Artificial intelligence is transforming our world at a pace few could have imagined. What was once science fiction is now daily reality. AI is reshaping industries, economies, and society itself. The question is no longer if AI will change our lives, but how we'll manage that change. In just the past 48 hours, we've seen breakthroughs and challenges that highlight both the promise and disruption AI brings. AI creates art, diagnoses diseases, and powers cities. But it also raises tough questions about ethics, jobs, and equity. Headlines now feature both innovation and layoffs, international summits and corporate shakeups, all centered on AI's growing influence. The pace can feel overwhelming. One day, a new AI model writes poetry. The next, thousands lose their jobs. This is the duality of the AI revolution, immense creation and disruption, happening simultaneously. From boardrooms to global summits, the world is racing to adapt, regulate, and harness AI for the collective good. The decisions made today will shape who benefits from this technological leap, and who gets left behind. The AI revolution is here, and it's happening to all of us, right now. The events of this week signal a critical juncture. The world is waking up to AI's power, and the rush to understand and guide it has begun. The AI revolution is hitting the job market hard, especially for recent graduates. New research shows AI is a major driver behind record-high unemployment among college grads, as entry-level roles are rapidly automated. Jobs like customer support and data entry are now handled by AI systems that work faster and cheaper than humans. Microsoft's recent layoff of 9,000 employees, just months after cutting 6,000 more, has intensified debate over who's most at risk, junior staff or middle management. The crisis is fueling urgent calls for reskilling, upskilling, and new regulations to ensure workers can adapt and benefit from the AI-driven economy. The future of work is being rewritten, and the need for action is immediate. While AI software is booming, the hardware powering it is under pressure. Samsung reported a 39% drop in profits, largely due to weak demand for high-performance AI server chips. This exposes a vulnerability. Powerful AI like the upcoming GPT-5 needs immense computational power, but hardware expansion is slowing. Meanwhile, anticipation for OpenAI's GPT-5 is sky-high, with experts predicting a leap in reasoning and multimodal abilities. The contrast is stark. AI's future looks bright, but the path is complicated by economic and logistical hurdles. The digital revolution still depends on the physical world. The next chapter in AI will be shaped by both software breakthroughs and hardware realities. As AI accelerates, world leaders and experts are meeting in Geneva at the UN's AI for Good Global Summit. The focus steering AI toward positive outcomes and building guardrails for ethics, safety, and transparency. With 85% of countries lacking national AI policies, the summit highlights the urgent need for global governance. Real-world risks like recent AI-driven impersonation of a US official underscore the stakes. The summit aims to move from talk to action, setting international standards and ensuring AI serves humanity. Tomorrow the focus shifts to health innovation, with the World Health Organization leading discussions on AI's role in global healthcare. This week, the AI revolution is accelerating on multiple fronts. The tech world awaits OpenAI's GPT-5 announcement, which could spark the next wave of innovation and disruption. Microsoft faces scrutiny over its layoffs and future AI strategy, setting a precedent for the industry. In Geneva, the AI for Good Summit is expected to deliver new agreements on global standards and showcase AI's potential in healthcare. The convergence of these events makes one thing clear: staying informed about AI is essential. The story is unfolding fast, and understanding the players and issues is key to navigating what's next. The future is being written now, by technology, by policy, and by all of us.